Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to earn Roblox with Microsoft Rewards points. So from any browser you have in your PC, just search for Microsoft Rewards and then you can see all of these different links here. Then just tap the first one. You may now log in to your account. If you don't have, then you may just sign in first. And then you can see that you will be here in this page, and I have some of the points already. So you can see an exclusive Roblox item, meaning that this website is with Roblox. So they're partnered together. So basically, when you go to get the reward and search it up, then what you can see is Roblox digital card. Now I've got a video on how to get that, loads for loads, but if you really do well, you can get around thousands of 2,000 Roblox every month. So here, as you can see, a lot of quizzes and a bunch of things that you need to do. And when you press that one, first thing is you get 10 points. And then if you press another one, then you get 10 more points. Just keep scrolling and do the quizzes and you'll be able to get free Roblox in this page. So if you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.